Hey there, this is the Muffle Furnace and it's having the capacity of 1200 degrees Celsius. It is the ILB 125 model from Indolab India Limited, and it works automatically. Moreover, you can control the temperature using this rotary switch, and you can see here the temperature range. It is currently around 450 degrees Celsius, and we have already inserted some samples inside it. You can guys, this is the Muffle Furnace. Its maximum capacity is 1200 degrees Celsius. You can see here its maximum temperature capacity is 1200 degrees Celsius, and currently it is on around 450 degrees Celsius. This is ILB 120 model from Indolab, and we have put samples inside this. You can see here it is the samples of couple. These are the nanoparticles inside, and you can see here is the temperature needle, and you can manually control it using this rotary switch.